to the Pearson Floorplan here at Chestnut Ridge.
The Pearson Floorplan is exclusive to Chestnut Ridge. We're super excited to talk to you about this floor plan today.
The Pearson Floorplan is just over 1,400 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs and a half bath on the main floor. It's an open concept where you can entertain with ease and hang out with all your friends.
Priced in the mid-200s, the Chestnut Ridge Townhomes offers a maintenance-free lifestyle with amazing amenities, including a community pool, a pickleball court, a playground, and so much more. We're conveniently located just 15 minutes from downtown Greenville and about a short 10-minute drive to Woodruff Road's dining and shopping.
Thank you for touring the Pearson model with us today here at Chestnut Ridge. If you'd like to get any more information on our community or like to schedule an in-person tour, please reach out to one of us. My name is Sarah, and you can reach me at 864-551-1978.
And my name is Monica. You can reach me at 864-526-9436. And if you happen to need any information on any of our dear Horton communities in the upstate of South Carolina, please feel free to give us a call.